Hello, Heat Pressers. My name is Jason. I'm the general manager here at Transfer Express, and behind the camera is my friend Natasha. Say hi, Natasha.
Hey guys.
I'm here today to give you a personal tour of Transfer Express. We're based here in Mentor, Ohio, which is about 25 miles east of downtown Cleveland. Mentor, Ohio is a beautiful place. We are the home of many professional athletes as well as presidents as well. And up until recently, we were actually known as the Rose Capital of the world. And you know you're from Mentor if you say Mentor, and all of our tours say Mentor, or so Mentor. So if you say Mentor, we know that you're not from around here. So it's Mentor. Everything's better in Mentor. But in all seriousness, here at Transfer Express, we started back in 1990, and we started in a garage, literally a garage. And within several years, we expanded into the current facility we're in now. And this is where I'm going to give you a tour today of. 80,000 square feet of the latest screen print and digital print technology that you'll see anywhere on the planet. We are the world's largest manufacturer of screen print and digitally screen printed transfers on the planet. And so I'd like to go ahead and give you a tour of that. Follow me this way. Inside here, first thing we got to do is we got to get our visitor badge, and the first thing you got to do is ring this bell. So this is Patricia. She is our voice and our face when you come here to visit Transfer Express. And when you do come, she loves when you ring the bell.
Don't lie, Jason.
So we're going to come in and we're going to get our visitor badge, and we're going to go inside, and I'll take you a little bit further around. Well, thank you. All right, now when we first come into Transfer Express as a visitor, we take you into our showroom. So come on into our showroom. And this is where if you're a new customer, you're going to learn all about screen printed transfers and digitally printed screen printed transfers. You're also, if you're a customer and you are just maybe interested in getting a new heat press and you want to see the new heat presses that we have, they're here all lined up. But this is the place where we also show you exactly what all of the transfers look like on shirts, and give you a good perspective of what you're going to get when you order screen printed transfers, right? So as we come here into the main hallway, you're also introduced by our owner, Ted Stahl, who is the most innovative entrepreneurial mind that I have ever met. And he inspires us every single day to do more, especially for our people here at Transfer Express, as well as our customers. Tasha's asking me to back up slow here. So is this too slow, Tasha? Is this a little too slow?
Yes.
All right, so as you come into our building here, our building is 80,000 plus square feet of, so again, as some of the most latest and greatest technology in screen printed transfers. As you walk in, you're walking into some of our main front office areas. So we got from our human resources department to our process improvement department, and over here to our accounting department. So as we continue to walk back, I'm going to actually take you to customer service and who you guys deal with the most. Transfer Express, we have 8 core values, and what you'll see about these values is they're a lot different than your typical company. We actually want actions, we want verbs. So instead of just saying excellence, we say commit to excellence. Instead of saying, integrity, we say always do the right thing. So we hold these values dear. We make decisions based on these core values. We also make decisions on who we're going to hire based on these core values. And our mission, our overall mission here, our mission overall is very simple. It is to help you grow your business. That's what we're here for. We're here to help you, the entrepreneur, grow your business. And every decision we make is with that in mind. Is this going to help you grow your business? If it is, great. We're going to run after it like banshees. But if it's not going to help you grow your business, we put it to the side and we move on. All right, everybody. Now I'm going to introduce you to Andy Curtis. Andy, come on over here. Andy has been with the company for 18 years, and you probably recognize his face. He's been on many of our videos on our website, on YouTube, and he's also the voice of many of our webinars. Again, been with the company 18 years. He currently manages customer service and graphic design, but at some point throughout his 18 years, he's managed almost every department. So right now, Andy's going to show us around customer service and graphic design.
Except for accounting, because you don't want me in charge of the money. Come this way. So we have happening right now in our auditorium customer service training. So right now, these folks are learning how to be customer service reps, and in the near future, they will be the bright, shining, smiling faces talking to you on the phone. Say hi, everybody.
Hello. Hi.
All right, come this way. So back here in customer service, we take about 300,000 phone calls per year. We also make just about as many phone calls as that. When we call you out, we're not talking about telemarketing calls. We're talking about calls where you send us artwork and you need to talk to us about that artwork, so we call you to discuss it. We've got just under 40 customer service reps right now dedicated to processing your uploads, answering your emails, answering your phone calls, guiding you through building your business. And back here in customer service is where that magic all happens. In fact, everybody would love to say hi to you right now. Everyone say hi to the customers! Welcome to graphic design. Back here in graphic design, we process all of your orders. We can do about 1,300 orders a day, and that includes our screen print and our digital products. Our graphic designers are full service. We can do everything from optimizing your screen print artwork to print properly, to photoshopping any kind of photographic elements that you need on digital artwork. And our graphic designers would love to say hi to you as well. Everybody say hi to the customers.
All right, everybody. Now I'm going to take you behind the scenes here in production. Now I will tell you that we don't allow nobody, and I mean nobody, to come back here. Everything we do is very proprietary, but I trust you guys. As long as you guys don't say anything, I won't say a word. As you can see here, we're very protective. Production employees only, so we're going to sneak in. I need you to be very quiet as we do this. All right, here we go. Follow me here, guys. Come on this way. I guess we can't do that. All right, so that didn't go very well, but I know a back way to get in. Just follow me. You gotta be very quiet. You gotta be very sneaky. Here we go. Ready? Come on. You're being too loud out there. I see you right there. That one, yeah, the one to the left. Shh. Are we clear, Natasha?
Yeah, we're clear.
We're almost there. Feel like. Wasn't that an awesome tour? It's a good thing we got through unscathed, but I'm glad you were able to see it. Again, I need you guys to be completely quiet about that. Don't tell anybody about it. Please keep it to yourself. But now we're here in shipping, and in shipping, I want to introduce you to Ivan. Ivan, you've been with us how long now?
7 years.
7 years he's been with us. He is our shipping manager, and he's going to walk you through how we take your package from the screen print process out the door.
Hi everybody. Like Jason says, my name is Ivan. I'm here 7 years, and I really enjoying working for this company. Every order produced in this company coming straight up to this place. We call this pigeonhole, and this is where the orders stay and waiting for all the orders come from the same customer from the same group. This is very important for us to make sure that the customer receive exactly number of order, how many they order.
Ivan, thanks. We're going to go ahead. Can you show us how to ship an order? How about this order right here?
Yes, of course. I can show you.
Let's see. And this is, all right, so this is the order ready to go. Oh, wow. This is actually the order we just watched get screen print.
Don't tell anybody about that.
Ivan, go ahead and show us how to ship that out of here.
Yes, I will. This order is ready for shipping. And our system is very automated and very easy to ship. We just scan I will show you guys the order. The order coming with this sheet, and the all informations are already here. We only need to scan a barcode, and all this information will be translated directly to our system.
And while Yvonne scans that in, we ship thousands of packages a day. During the height of our busy season, sometimes several thousand of packages a day. This team works hard day and night to make sure that your package gets shipped with the proper care and handling, so when you receive it, you have a perfect product ready to get to your customer. So as he does that, he's waiting for the packing slip to get through. Then it's gonna print. He's gonna put in the box. He's gonna tape it up and get it on a cart ready for UPS.
Packing slip is coming here. We're verifying one more time, making sure that the ship address, it's actually matching with what we have on the UPS label, and making sure that we're sending the package to the right address. And then we just tape this and make sure it's secured inside the box, and then box is going on a UPS card and ready for pickup.
A lot of people also ask us, why do we use these boxes? Well, first of all, they're really well known. Our customers, I'm sure if I walk into your shop, you probably have a wall of these with your certain order numbers right in here. But the other reason why we use these is because we want to make sure you get the product without any damage to it. These boxes can literally take up to a lot of crush.
This box can withstand pressure, it can withstand damage. So it can be pounded, it can be thrown,
before it actually damages a transfer. So we don't feel comfortable putting your product that you're going to give to your end customer. We don't want to put that in an envelope or a bubble wrap type of thing. We want to make sure that you get a product in the perfect way. And Yvonne and his team have done a great job making sure that the box that we use is going to work exactly how we expect it to work. Well, thank you everybody for coming and visiting us here at Transfer Express. And whether you're a new customer, we hope you give us the opportunity. And if you're a current customer, we thank you for your loyalty. And from all of us here at Transfer Express, we want to thank you here